So, hi everyone, welcome to the course, and today we will be continuing with our React part, but we are going to create card component. We'll see how we can write code for one card and we'll render multiple card items. Now let's see how we'll do that. So in here I want to create a card.jsx file. So let's have this card.jsx. Now write RAFCE. Done. So to this you can remove this or just let it be. So here I am going to tell you that how you can create anything in one particular component. So I want some images. So let's go to this and let's get some books images. Okay, so let's suppose get any image for free. Let's suppose you want this one. Just save the image inside your React one. So in the desktop, I want to go to First Pro and want to change the name to photo only. Okay, now let's save this one. Okay, this is, anyways, we'll change the extension, no worries. Let's go with this and npm run start. It will start my React project. Okay, so this was what we created in the previous lecture, the navbar. But now let's come to this. We are going to create cards. So I want to give a heading. So featured books. Okay, so I want to use this particular component where, so below header. So go with your card component. So now you can see featured books, but let's style them a little bit. So we'll use Tailwind CSS. Class name, I want to have text to Excel, or let's suppose I want to go with 4XL. Yeah, so let's text, go with center. Yeah, so let's put a class over here. So I want a margin from Y, it's 20, so it will have some margin, and I also want to change the color of the text. So let's go to color hunt, open it. Yes, once we'll open it, we'll use some great colors so that it will look some way better. It is taking a little bit time. Anyhow, let's go with some good colors. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's select this one, copy it, and just go with this thing here. So you can put a hash, as you know that otherwise it won't be coming. So this is fine. And even if we'll go with 50 pixel or 40 pixel, that would be great because I want some boldness to this. Done. And margin, I can reduce it to 10. Perfect. So now let's have our cards over here. First of all, see, I want to create a div inside it, and inside it I want to have I want one motive. Why do I want one motive? I will tell you. So in here I want to have one image. So let's go with image. This is the next one. So use your img, And to use image, you really need to import it and check where you saved your this photo. Rename the extension by JPEG, that would be fine, and add your photos to this. That is totally fine. I want to import the image. Import photo from, put 2 dots because you want to get out of that, and select your photo.jpg. Okay, now in the SRC you can go with your photo, and in the alt you can go with card image and just click your this thing. Done. Why it is this, it is showing like this, I will tell you. But now see, you don't need to use the word image or photo. Let's remove the image and it should reflect the image. Yes, so image is there, but you need to set some height or width. So select your class name and put height as 50, view edge, I think let's go with 20. It's fine, we'll increase this afterwards. And width I want to go with 30 VW. VW means view width and height. So this is too much, so go with 20 only. Yeah, it's fine. So we'll add height 30. Perfect. So let's add some margin to this. So put a class name. Margin is 20. So from all the sides it will have some margin. Now to this I want to add some heading. Let's suppose I added H3 famous book. Okay, so you have this. Now let's add paragraph. We want to say price. You want to add as 30. Let's suppose price is 300 rupees. Okay, so you have 300 rupees now. And to this, let's suppose you want to have a button. So for that, let's go with buy now. Okay, so you have a button. Now you need to add some styling to it. So quickly add some style. Class border color, let's go with black. So border is black. PY is going to be padding from your Y. So let's have 2. PX should be, let's suppose it's around 5. Yeah, so you can even go with 8 around. So that is fine. And to this paragraph, we'll add color later, but to this card, I want to add some color. So let's have border to this card first. Okay, so this is too big. So instead of this, let's put width of the card as 20%. Let's have 30%. Okay, fine. So I want to add background color BG as, let's suppose, what do we want to add to this? Let's suppose we want to add this color as background image. So background color. So hash this. this is there. Okay, so this is not looking that good, so you can go with this one. Fine, I think. Yeah, so let's give some box shadow. For that you need to go with shadow MD and shadow. Let's suppose we want to add some black shadow. So this is there. I think black one is much, so shadow gray 500 will be fine. GRAY gray is there. So box shadow is there. Anyhow, let's say I want some roundness to this, so I want to add rounded MD. Yeah, so it's fine. Now I want to increase the width by 40, and yeah, it's fine. So this is perfect. Now one thing I want to do is I want to make everything center. So text center, everything is center. Now let's add some padding is 5. So not this, I want the inner container to have some padding. So I want to add some class name and padding to Y. I want to add 5. Fine. I think padding from top is 5 and padding from bottom should be 2. Yeah, so to this I want to put some margin as 4. Yeah. So let's add Y to Y. Okay, so this is how my card is looking right now, but let's increase the font size of this by putting text. Let's suppose I want to go with 2XL. So fine, now let's add text color to this. First of all, I really want to change the color of the card so that it looks more good. So add this color to this, and now let's change the name of your card. I think we need to go with some darker color, so move with this and put a text color this, otherwise we'll go with white. Okay, so we need to go with some more light color, so I think go with this. So yeah, after applying only we'll get to know that which color suits more, or directly go with this one. Anyhow, okay, fine, but I think this palette is like this only. So let's have F. Okay, 6F. Yeah, fine. This is totally fine. And let's go with the class name. We want to add a text color. Now let's choose quickly any color and put this to the price, and the BG color to this one would be your, let's add this. Okay, fine, and now let's add text color to be white. 6F, done. I think this is fine. Okay, your one card is created. Now I want to have multiple cards over here. So how I will do that? Let's suppose if you really want, what you will do? You will copy this thing and you will put it again. You will copy this and you will put it again. So But what is happening is you are repeating the code twice time. So if you'll do flex, it will come in single line. But I don't want this. Okay. So let's have some padding of 20. Okay, anyways, I'll add that thing. But what do I want to show you here is, just a minute. I want to remove the width of this. Oh god, it's too big. Okay, let it be. Now see, this is what I am repeating the code, but I don't want to repeat the code. So when I don't want to repeat the code, what will I do is I want to create cards data. Okay, and after that I will be going with array of object. So in this, what do I need? I need card name. So I will give ID as 1. So just to uniquely identify my cards. Okay, so what I am adding book name. So I will add the name, book name, and this is going to be famous book. Famous, and you have to put book over here. After that, what you are taking price. So you can go with price. Let's suppose whatever you added rupees. $300, so it's fine. And after that, you are having one button. Okay, I will tell you this also, but you can go with button data for now as buy now. Okay, so see, you need to replace everything now. How will you do that? Copy this thing, and now you will have to use your this, which will help you to write your JavaScript. You have to select this thing, card data. That means you want to iterate over 3. Remember that in JavaScript we covered map, which was helping us to iterate over every object and by sending the whole function again. So I will use map, and what do I want? I want item. Okay, I want to iterate over the item. So in return, I need to return so that I can have all the elements. But here to div I have to add key equals to id, item.id. What item.id is doing, it will iterate my whole of the div over this array of object. Okay, so that's why it will go for id 1 and it is displaying over here. But I want to change everything from here. So what I will do is, I can even add my photo, but let it be. I'll tell you how you can get the photos also. But if you are writing JavaScript, you have to use your curly parenthesis, and after that write item dot book name, because this item is iterating over it. What do you want? You want book name? Just select your book name. And to this price, you just need to add price over here, and you will use your literal over here. Go with this, use $sign, and okay, so not in here, you have to select whole of this and use literal, and now go with your item dot price. Okay, so it will reflect the price. And now for button, you just have to go with item dot button data, item dot button data. Fine. So now let's see, everything is like this. So what if I am repeating the same thing again, but I need to change the id by 2. Now see, automatically my same card is coming twice a time. I just changed the data. Okay, so let's suppose you want to say famous book 2. So it will have a name famous book 2, and you can change the price to 500. So it will have 500. Even you can change the image. How? Let me show you images, book image, and let's have any book. Let's suppose this one, save as, and book 2. You save it in your SRC, save it, it's done, cross it, come back and use this to import it, and instead of photo write the name of book 2 from book.webp. Okay, now you want to use it. So for here image, you can do here your photo, write photo over here, and so for this you will have to write item.photo, okay, and put comma over here, and for your image you can go with book 2. Okay, so for here you can select item.book2, or you don't need to select your photo, you have to write image here. Okay, so let's go back and see you have two different content with the help of only one card. Now see, you want to add some spacing to it. How you will do that? So for that thing, what I will say to you is go with one more div outside it or inside it. Okay, or let's suppose add some margin to this thing. Okay, add margin from margin X 20. Okay, so you are having two cards, but you can reduce the spacing by saying 5. So similarly, you can add a data for third item, it will be there, right? So this is how you can create cards. I hope you have understood these things carefully, that how you can write single code, but your all the cards will be iterated with the help of data. That's why I told you in JavaScript that the map is very important for us to know. So let's see you in your next lecture. Thank you so much, everyone.